you dying of a cough or a sore throat? Don't worry, I've got you. Bees are your best friend. Whenever you need it, they can make you honey, and it will soothe your throat. The best thing is, it tastes good. Clover honey will soothe your throat as soon as you swallow it. Perfect. But be careful, you might be caught by your mom.
You better not be drinking honey out of the bottle again, boy.
Dang it, you caught me.